Okay, so first we're going to Apple Store. Then we'll search up Yourfut, Yourfut. Then press enter. Then we select Yourfut right in the screen. We'll go download. We have to put in our passcode for your Apple Store, and then we'll wait for it to download onto our home screen in our phone. Takes a little second. Then you go open. Now after you open, you have to sign up because we don't have an account. When you sign up, use your full email address. So in this scenario, we're going to use yourfut.marketing@gmail.com. Now, if your email have .vn or .au at the very end, then you have to pull it in yourfut.marketing@gmail.com.vn. But we don't have that for this email, and that is the full address. Put in your first name, your last name, your status. Are you an employee or are you an employer? And then you go put in your password, and then you go sign up. And it tells you that you have successfully signed up. First, when we enter into the app, then we have to create our profile to let everybody know who we are. So we go to more, go to my profile, go edit in the very top right corner. Then we select a photo to let everybody knows what we look like. Select a good one, and then go first name, last name, put in our headline. So if you're a student, or if you're a professor, or if you're just a housewife, then you put in, it's a short description of who you are, and then on what you do, and then you put in your date of birth. Only employers can see your date of birth because it helps employer to find you easily. And then you put in your gender, whether you live. So if you live in Vietnam, you find Vietnam, or you go into the search bar and go Vietnam, and then the state, the city, and then what languages do you speak? Do you speak any other languages other than Vietnamese and English? Then like Korean and Japanese, then put it in. Like, this is where you stand out to employers. And the industry type, so it's the classification for your employers to find you very easily. And if you have any other skills like the research skill and yeah, consulting, business management, put it all in there. You can add skills as well, such as mathematical or anything else you like. It's just an example. And you go, and then you put in a description of yourself, like your foot. Do you have any reference person, like a person that employee to call when they are interested in your profile? Then do you have any education details, like where do you go to school, where did you went to school, what university did you graduate at, and what degree do you have, etc. Then we will proceed into our employment details. So, like, if you used to work at Google and now you're working with Facebook, then you put it in, like your history of employment, where you used to work at. It has the title, like your job title, the place where it was, from what date to what date, and are you currently employed or not, and then a general description of what you did as and your responsibility when you take that role. Then we go save and next. Step 3 is to upload our CV, the video CV. We have two choices, an image and a video. If your video is more than 3 minutes, it will automatically cut into the 3 minutes frame because it only allows a 3 minute video resume. And you're gonna and then put in your title whatever you like it to be. So for instance, it's Yourfut help you impress potential employers. And then you're gonna save and next. Or make sure you check your spelling. Save and next. It will give you a little spiraling loading thing, and then it goes upload successful. This is the home tab where we get to see every talent that uses this platform, and we can share and make recommendation for companies, for our friends, or recommend them to their potential employers. We can like, comment, and share on their posts. Can also access their profile and follow their resume. Can also send messages, say hello, greetings. And we can also block if they're too intimidating. At the top, we have a bar of classification of different industries. So we have hospitality and tourism, or we have languages, or like Yourfut Ask, or we can go just all of them. So we can specifically filter our home tab, and we can search. For example, we can go video, and when we press enter, it only shows us things that are related to videos. Or we can create new post by clicking on the plus sign, the floaty plus sign on the bottom right corner, and we can upload our own video, our own post, and share with our colleague. After creating the title, selecting a video, we put in a category. We go post and a general description of the post. Go, and then you're going to have being notified post created successfully. Then there it is. That's the post that you just posted right on the top of the home tab. You can edit it, you can delete it, you can edit to change the description, and then you save, then it's saved. Or you can delete it. There we go. The job tab has all of the job that employers are looking for, and you can, as you can see, there a job has been expired sitting at the bottom of the at the bottom of the whole of the tab, and there's job that still in date, and you can just simply press apply, and the employer has your details straight away after you hit the button. And you can play a video to see what kind of environment you're going to expose yourself into, or what kind of culture that company has, and you can access your applied job, you saved, you, or like if employer interested in you, they invite you. Or go into your profile and edit it, or go add friends in the Yourfut friends, and you search and just put a keyword in, and every person that has that keyword in their name will come up. You can go, you can see who's following you, or who are you following, or who you've blocked. You can search for employers, or who you are following, and you can access their profile as well, and you can follow them to keep updates. You can read about them. You can invite friends, add new email, so it has to be the full email, a complete email. You can write a message to them and say, hey, hello, I am inviting you to join Yourfut. And then you go send invite. As easy as that. Then immediately get a notification from Yourfut, and you can enable or disable the push notification. You can change your password in settings,